Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a shapes on your canvas sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a shape on your canvas sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. It's so easy to insert a shape. For an example, I just need a square, I just need a rectangle. You just go to the element section first, and here you have this option called graphics, or just search here. For an example, you can just directly search as shape, and you can find all the shapes here. You can see a panel called shapes. Click on see all option. Now here you can find all the different shapes that you just needed. So you can just place any shape wherever you just needed, and it's easy to place, and you can just build your own like flow chart or whatever is the chart you just needed. You can just easily make and insert the shape. You can just click on the shape option and click on the colors. Here you can just adjust the colors of the shape, and also the line stroke weight also can be customized, and also the rounding corner can also be customized. This is how you just insert the shapes on your canvas sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.